Hi guys, welcome back, it's Jack here, and what we're going to do today in our little video is we're going to do a core / ab workout. Now, the muscles that we're going to target today are the abdominals here at the front, your obliques here on the sides, and what we're going to call it a lower back muscle group around the back here. Now, this little workout, I'm going to do it with you. It is a beginner workout, so hopefully this should start you off. If it's too easy, then all you got to do is do this a little bit more regularly and a little bit higher tempo and a little bit higher intensity. Alright, so the exercises are nice and simple. I'm going to show you all of the exercises and explain exactly what they're doing first, then we're actually going to do the workout with you so you can do this at home and we're going to do it together. Okay, so first exercise that we've got is a short sit-up. Alright, now obviously we're going to be laid on the back in a prone position. Legs just like this, not too close to your bum. Alright, obviously just like that. And hands on your thighs. Alright, now when you're completely relaxed, the first thing I want you to do is put your chin on your chest here like this, and then hands just up to the top of the knees here. Alright, so you're working these abdominal muscles here, and notice I'm keeping my lower back on the floor. Alright, so back down, completely relaxed, head back down to touch the floor, chin, up, down, relax. Like so, and we're going to do this 10 times. I'm not going to do it now because I'm going to do the workout with you in a second. Second exercise that we've got is in exactly the same position, right down here in this prone position, shoulders off the floor on this one, lower back still there, feet position exactly the same, and we're going to use the oblique muscles on the sides here, and we're going to hands down my side here, touch the ankle, and touch the ankle here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like so. Alright, now try and keep your hips fairly straight. There will be a little bit of movement, obviously, because you're sliding on the floor here. Alright, but this is where your muscles are really working. So bend down to the side, and again, so most of the movement will be up in your shoulders. Alright. Now, third exercise is called a horizontal two-footed tuck. Alright, so basically we're going to be completely flat on the floor now. Hands are going to be out to the side for a little bit of support, and if the feet come off the floor a couple of inches, that's absolutely fine. Hands out to the side, tuck and straighten. That's it. You're going to be working again these core muscles here and out like so. Alright, you will touch a few of the hip flexors across the hip joint here for this particular exercise because you're moving your legs. Alright, and your lower back might begin to arch, which is normal. Alright, don't put your hands under your bum like this. Alright, that's a cheap way. Alright, you must do it out here like this and tuck like so. Okay. Now, when we're doing this particular, and we're working this particular area and muscle group, it is important, if you're doing a lot of abs, you must train the reverse side, which is the lower back here. Alright, so this exercise is called a dorsal raise, and you're going to be prone in this on your front this time. Like so. Again, we're going to cross our feet so that we can lift up. Hands are going to be behind our ears. Completely relax, get yourself comfortable, and lift like this. Again, working these lower back muscles here, you will feel it, nice and tight. Contraction, and relax. Like so. And the last exercise that we've got is very simple and similar to the push-up ones that we've done, but it's called the plank. Alright. This one is pretty much a whole body exercise, even though it does focus on these particular ones and some of your quads and stuff. It is a good one for general all-round fitness. Alright, so like the push-ups, like the push-up position, we're going to be down here on the elbows, a nice straight core, nice straight foot positions, and head up. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds in a minute when we do the workout, and that is your exercise there. Again, be careful not to bend like this or to sag down like this, alright? Again, that could cause you some injury or some pain, or even you might even strain your muscles if you're doing it in the wrong position. Okay, so we're going to do the whole workout together. So on your screen, hopefully, just here, we've got a list of the exercises, and we are going to do the whole thing 3 times, alright? We're going to do the exercises: short sit-up, ankle touch, the horizontal tuck, the dorsal raise, and the plank. We're going to do reps of 10, and then obviously on the plank we're going to do a 30-second hold, and we're going to go through this 3 to 5 times depending on obviously your ability. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do the whole workout. Hopefully you've got the exercises written down so you can do this yourself. Alright, so short sit-ups first. Followed by ankle touches. Followed by horizontal tucks. Followed by dorsal raises. Followed by the plank. Now after this exercise, obviously we're going to have a 30-second break. Alright, so it's always a good idea just to have a little bit of a drink break there, a quick sip of water before you go again. And 30 seconds done. Quick 30 seconds rest before we go again. And obviously when you get tired, your form will start to sort of deteriorate, so really try and keep the form, and if you have to, do maybe 1 or 2 less reps if the form is the most important thing about this. Alright, so that's halfway there. And go again. You should really start to feel this burning now. Second plank. It's always important to breathe. Alright, make sure you breathe in deep breaths when you do these, because it will start to fatigue pretty quickly. And the only reason it burns is because you haven't got enough oxygen going to your muscles. So deep breaths, get the oxygen in. And down. Oh, good. And 30-second break before we go again. Make sure you get the oxygen in, get those muscles replenished. Again, have a quick sip of juice before you go again, and we're on our third time now. All right. As a beginner, this should be enough. All right. If you obviously do this for 6 weeks, maybe up it to 5 sets, and then obviously when you go there, you should be ready to change your workout again. All right. So 30 seconds, just about up. We go again. Timer. This particular one, if you have got a watch, perfect, or a stopwatch, or make sure you've got a clock in the room to make sure that you time this one, because it is tiring. Good. Alright, so that's your beginner workout, alright. Hopefully that sets you on the right path so you can obviously start upping your core strength. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed that video today and it all made sense, and we will see you soon.